If you're going to Paphos this year and staying in the Coral Bay area, this is what to expect from Coral Bay in the evening. There is a restaurant for everybody. There are traditional Cypriot tavernas. There are fish restaurants serving fresh seafood and grilled fish, Greek favourites such as souvlaki, kleftiko, halloumi and moussaka, Italian restaurants, British-style restaurants, Indian, Chinese and international restaurants. If you're just going for drinks, there's cocktail bars with outdoor terraces, sports bars if you want to watch the football or any other major sporting events, traditional pubs with local beers and cocktails, and then relaxed beach bars serving sunset drinks. There is such a variety of entertainment offered at Coral Bay. You can choose from Greek music, tribute acts, karaoke, quiz nights, or you can just go and use the pool tables. There's bars with DJs on. You can go and watch some sports on the big screens, or you can go to a traditional Cypriot restaurant and listen to the Greek music and maybe some plate smashing. Coral Bay is a very relaxed and friendly resort. If you go there during the day, it might seem very quiet, but in the evening it comes alive. Though it's not unusual to see families walking around with children late into the night. If you are the energetic partying type, don't worry though, there are bars and clubs open till 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning. So overall, Coral Bay offers a laid-back holiday nightlife with plenty of restaurants, pubs, live music and beautiful sunset views. It's ideal if you want enjoyable evenings without the large nightclub scene found in destinations like Ayia Napa.